So, welcome to get to know the speakers of DigitalConfex. Today we have with us Karthikeyan VK, AI strategist, CTO, Microsoft AI MVP, author. He's currently working at Peninsula Research Operations Private Limited, and he will be joining as a distinguished speaker on the topic AGI, superintelligence, and the human future, preparing for a post AGI world during 4th IT Confex happening in Crown Plaza, New Delhi on 22nd August. So, hi Karthikeyan, welcome to the chat show.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well, and it's our pleasure to have you in our chat show and also in our conference. So, can you give us a brief introduction of yourself and your field of expertise for our audience?
Yeah. So I'm myself Karthikeyan as per the introduction. I am working in this AI field for past 8-9 years. I have masters in AI, and also I have done some 1 year CTO courses in MIT, which is hybrid both online and offline. Yeah, I have a good grasp of what this AI is happening. I run a startup. I'm a CTO in that, so I'm working on that company. So that's how it is.
Yeah, it's great to know your journey, and currently you are working right now. So, moving forward, I have a few questions for you today. My first question is: everyone is talking about AI, but very few understand AGI. So, what exactly separates today's AI systems from the true artificial general intelligence, and how close they are?
Okay, so think of AI as a chess master, meaning a chess master who's good at chess, but is useless at cooking, driving, and or talking to a friend when he's in need. Okay, so basically the brilliant is one lane. When you train for some data, it's actually in that. AGI is something which is curious, brilliant, like a human being. It can pick up a new skill. It can navigate an unfamiliar situation and figure things out, just like we do every day, thinking without thinking about it, right? The fuzzy logic. So that is the AGI. The current LLM or the AI, what happens is it is only based on the data you train. For example, if you don't train that LLM with the chess data, it will not know anything about the chess. But in AGI, it will think about the problem, figure out how it can move forward from uh, the current position to next position based on its previous understanding of how it has seen the world. Meaning, it abstracts certain values from it and then it starts seeing in a different lens, like normally we do. So whenever we do certain things, if we don't understand what we do is we generalize and then we convert that into some kind of a comparison. Maybe this is what it looks like similar to that. So the same situation is like that. So I will take the same decision. So that is what we do when we come across something which is very or not very close to what we already did. So AGI is something which will get into that space. It's very brilliant, curious like a human being.
Okay, I think you take a good example for the AGI, I should say. So my next question is, if super intelligence become a reality, what are the biggest opportunities and risks for humanity, especially for business leaders, developers, and policymakers?
Okay, so what it means for regular people is if AG arrives at work, our all our tedious tasks disappear with LLM and all our ChatGPT Claude. Our tedious are disappearing, and AGI will make it more better and it will be more accurate. The major concern will be some change. Jobs will change dramatically. Right now, whatever changes in the job, AI even affecting, it will be more. So the way of doing jobs gets that all the tedious jobs are uh, the labor which we are trying to procrastinate. Those jobs which we outsource it to smaller people or smaller company will slowly reduce and then it might even disappear. In case of health, diseases get all the diseases get solved faster. You might not have much disease which might have, but the problem is who controls the technology which
Yeah.
solving the disease. So that is will be a problem because it might if the pharma companies starts getting into AGI, for them losing a customer is losing a sorry. So I mean, making a customer healthy is losing a customer, right? So you never know. That's a big problem that we might need to fix it. In society, major problems should be solved. The hunger might get solved, but the problem is the Ethiopian problem might come, right? Once
Yeah.
everybody gets into a proper without any problem, then it becomes another problem. So and the power also concentrate dangerously in one places because who runs the AGI? How does it? And it becomes a little chaotic. Uh, Ethiopian become a dystopian arena. You might never know. You just have to see how it goes.
I think loved your take on this. Like There are some advantages, but there are some risk if this happens in the near future. So my next question, many people fear that advanced AI will replace human. In your view, what uniquely human capabilities will become more valuable in an AGI powered future?
Okay. See, as I told you, the AGI right now is more like we are trying to climb a mountain in a fog. Okay,
No.
we are climbing, but nobody knows the summit is 100 meters away or it's still miles away.
Yeah.
That's exactly how the AGI are. So the problem or what major thing that might not solve is it cannot solve a real human connection. Okay, so the amount of sometimes sitting next to a human is and talking to them is more better, gives you a better human connection than talking to a AI. Because if you talk to ChatGPT, it might give you some kind of very sweet answers, but you still get annoyed sometimes. That is
Yeah.
something which will lack in AGI. I mean, with how it gets empathy and care. Machine cannot simulate an empathy and care, even though it can answer or ask questions that might trigger empathy. But human minds are so complicated and smart that will know where is the gap that between,
Yeah.
because human mind eyes can see lots of things that we miss. That empathy will not be there. Common sense will not be common. It's always right now also it's the same, and these will aggravate more when the common sense certain things are not common. So that is something which I'm totally on that. So more and more smart people get right. They don't understand what common sense are. Like they don't understand somebody is upset, sarcastic. So those are all little tough to do that. But still, AI will get better. And original ideas might be little wavering. I am on little. I am a little on coining the original ideas, because in
Okay.
nothing is an original idea, right? There is nothing like an innovation. Everything is discovered. It's already
Yes.
there. You add two or three rules and make it a different way, or you copy from biology and then do it. So original ideas that is extremely useful to the human might not be there, but AI might even give you original ideas, because we are also hashing few ideas and then making it different way by copying somewhere. So that is something. And the accountability is something which is not there, right? So you cannot make you AI accountable. You use AI to make it work or get your work done, but you are still accountable. That is something will AI is, it will never get into that. So that is something I'm looking at. So it will be human connection, empathy and care, common sense system, partial original ideas, and final is absolutely the accountability. So that is something which might not.
Yeah, I think you have summarized this very well, and our audience will love to hear more about this during your session and also during the networking breaks. They can also connect with you. So I have also prepared some rapid fire questions. My first question is: if AI could replace one daily task forever for you, what would you choose?
Uh, I would choose getting status from everyone.
Okay. So one challenge that shaped you most as a leader.
The challenge of empathy,
Okay.
and also trying to listen to everybody without any prejudgment, and make them, I mean, understand their perspective rather than first trying to be more judgmental at the point of time. Yeah, that's
Okay.
something which I'm working on every day.
So if you could solve one global problem using technology today, what would it be?
Okay, that would be hunger and pollution.
Okay. So thanks, Karthikeyan. It was great connecting with you, and I am thrilled with your excitement to join our conference. So, any words for our participants who will be joining in the conference?
Yeah. So, I mean, thanks for the opportunity. I'm looking forward to see everyone on the conference. Hopefully, I have very challenging questions about AI and
Okay.
AGI, so I can answer. One thing I want to tell you is AGI is new kind of mind. Okay, whether if it has arrived, it will arrive. It might arrive. Is always important questions of our lifetime. So let's discuss on that day.
Great, good to know. Thanks for your time today. And to all the participants, don't miss the session happening on 4th IT Confex on 22nd August in Crown Plaza, New Delhi. Get a great chance to connect with you in person. See you soon, Karthikeyan.